In 2023, our handbook moved digital. Our both academic and also our student handbook, which is soon going to be merged into the system, have gone digital, and we now have this online platform which is powered by Clean Catalog. So I'm going to give you a little indication of how, as a head of learning area or someone who owns the content, is able to modify the content within this system. So the first thing you need to do is to go into the staff login at the bottom. And then from here, don't log in into the email and password. Click on this federated login. So this will use our single sign-on through our Microsoft credentials, which will allow us to log into the system. Your accounts have already been configured, so this will allow you to automatically become an editor as soon as you access the account. So once you log in, you'll be able to see each of the pages. As an editor, you'll only be able to edit the content, but you won't be able to publish the content. So what that means is you can make revisions to the content, but you won't be able to make it live to the website. So we have a workflow set up where the people who previously were able to publish everything to the printers and send them off to be printed into our booklet now have those same permissions where they can publish things. So as a head of learning area, if you're making any changes, please don't feel like you're going to make any huge mistakes in this system. We can make those modifications for you. So within the revisions tab, which I just clicked on, we'll be able to see all the different versions as we create the content. So if you do need to compare anything, or if you accidentally deleted everything within a section, you will be able to see that. For the most part, the heads of learning area will be modifying the course requirements, so the course outlines, the descriptions of the courses, or if there's any new courses, we'll be creating those pages for you. So in order to get to those pages, we can go to course offerings. If I want to then modify algebra, I can search for algebra. And then from here, you can see now I have editing permissions. So as the head of maths, I'll be able to click on edit. If I'm not happy with the name of the course or any of the content which is within here. For example, if advanced algebra for some reason went to a 0.5 credit, we can modify that. We can change any of the descriptions. We could also add in any videos, any other content which we may think will be relevant. Again, we can change the prerequisites. We can change anything which is within that page. Once we're happy with everything, we hit the save, or we can hit the ready for review. So if we hit the ready for review, all of the moderators for the content will be emailed to say that your section has been updated and it's ready for review before it's publishing. If you're working on this between class, you still need a little bit more time, then you'll hit save draft, and then you can come back to it later on. But essentially that's all you need to do as a head of learning area, is to locate your pages which you'd want to change. So again, go to course offerings, find the course you'd like to modify. So this time I'll look at AP Chemistry. Hit the edit button and then simply type in the changes that you'd like to make within the relevant sections. Go to the bottom, select ready for review, and then hit save. So that's all you should need to know as a head of learning area. Again, reach out to the tech coach if you need some support, or you can also speak to the administrators within the office who have the ability to review any changes.